Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video from this morning over here in the corner. So, anyways, we did have CPI inflation data come out today. I was actually originally thinking that this was going to be a crutch into the uptrend, and the news was actually, prior to the news, it was actually going to set up for a long opportunity. But as you can see, it was actually pretty clear that it made impulsive down, corrective up, and then big impulsive down. Now it kind of looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, so I wouldn't really expect it to just reverse right now. If anything, it might go up and make a wave 4 and a wave 5. I'm still not really convinced that this is going to continue to downtrend on the much higher time frames. I still am thinking that this is going to end up continuing up at some point in a big wave 3 on like the daily, weekly, and monthly. But for now, the trend is definitely down. If it makes like a 3, 4, 5 shape but the breaker starts it to the upside, then possibly we could start going long again. But the trend is down, so we should probably be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.